Hey guys, it's Bruce here again from Kai's Education, and here I am going to help you with arrays. So as you can see, we've got 2 rows of 5 tiles. However, in our program, we need to move forward 4 tiles. So we don't count the first tile that we're on. So we're going to move forward 4, and then we're going to move forward another 4 there. So we've broken our code up into a loop twice, and then we're going to move forward in our loop program. We're going to move forward 4 tiles. We're going to wait 2 seconds. The wait is there for enough time for me to grab the robot and place it onto the next row. And this is how an array is. Then we're going to end the program and run it. So let's get started and let's get programming KaiBot. So start program, loop 2 times, forward 4, wait 2 seconds. You can increase that longer if you want to, if it gives enough time. End the program, run the program. So what's useful here is we're running 2 arrays of moving the robot forward 4. Now, if you pair this robot with Conundrum Lite or conundrum.com, then you'll be able to actually see the same code converted into text-based coding. And the way we indent this code is actually the same as you would with text-based coding. So good luck, and until next time,